Hey there, YouTube fans. I saw this post and I thought I really got to do a video about this. We had no power in my place, it was about 36 hours. Hot and humid, horrible, okay? And our town had 600 Ergon Energy Workers come up to fix the damage. And I want to show you something on this post. Look at who they are. Okay? What do you notice? They are overwhelmingly majority men. Men keep the infrastructure going. Now, that's not to say that there are some women, but I will tell you now that it is overwhelmingly men that are doing this hot, heavy work. So it's dangerous hot work, like this MP said, and many staff have no power themselves. They get it, and they are part of the community. So well done, guys. I was praying every single day, please get the power back on, please get the power back on. And it came back at 6 o'clock at night, meaning that they were still working at 6 o'clock at night. So I am definitely thankful for this. All right, hope that helps. God bless. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Teach Yourself out.